Nice. Yeah, I'll just show the gun now once. This is a manual gun. This is a manual gun. ये वो ऊपर से इसमें बारूद डालता है ना. You fill it from up. Okay. ठीक है. So this is the trigger. एक second. This is trigger and this will pull it back and then ये यहाँ मारेगा तो फिर आग जल के फिर ये गोली निकलता है ना. ठीक है. ठीक है. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet again. Okay. And yeah.
Bye, Papa.
They're going.
Papa. Anti-fighter. Anti-fighter.
Anti-fighter?
Yeah.
Why do you want me to anti-fighter?
Because I love.
Talk to your mama. Ask her to do it. Why do you always come to me for all these things?
Papa.
Huh? He wants to anti-fighter. And let me show you the bounties.
What's bounty?
Bounty?
Yeah.
The prize that you get, na?
Yeah.
When you do something, what you will get in exchange. So for an example, your uncle, he went hunting, na? Or his ancestor used to hunt. What they used to hunt, like what was the bounty? What was the thing they were able to bring home?
I think he's going to.
So see here, I'll show it to you. This is a deer which their ancestors used to hunt. See, this is like bounty, and these are called trophies. Okay, so they were able to hunt down, say, a pig, and then they were able to wild boar. This is wild boar. They were able to hunt wild boar and then they were able to bring it home. And now they are kept here. These are skulls, Ivan, okay? They are kept here as trophies, okay?
Why are the kids trophies?
So that to remember that they were able to do this thing. You get trophies to remember a significant moment types, na?
Papa. Papa, if he had a vegan, let's hunt one wild tiger. If he had a gun, let's hunt for a tiger. Okay.
You want to hunt the tiger?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You don't hunt tiger, Ivan.
Why?
It's a endangered species. You don't hunt it. You can maybe hunt now wild pigs. I think you cannot even hunt deer.
Wild boar.
Huh?
Wild boar.
Yeah, wild boar you can hunt. You can hunt fishes. There are things that you can hunt and there are things that you can't hunt. So you cannot hunt tiger. You can't hunt rhino, elephant. But you can hunt like wild boar is something that you can hunt. But can you?
Papa, wait, I want to tell you one stuff. I think big people can hunt for a tiger.
No, nobody is allowed to hunt tiger anymore.
I hear everyone has going to hunt for tiger.
Keep this, Ivan. Keep this. This is dirty.
Yeah, and
Keep this.
I heard everyone.
Come here. Talk to Papa.
Watch on my TV.
Huh?
Some jungle, somebody. I always watch some jungle stories stuff, and I hear they say we're going to hunt for tiger.
Okay. No, there are no tigers here. Second, you don't hunt tiger if you even have it. Okay. You don't hunt. क्या कहते हैं? Animal. You want to hunt a chicken? You can hunt a chicken. You want to hunt a chicken?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
You want to hunt a chicken?
Okay.
Go catch it.
But how?
Catch one. Catch the big one. Go catch it. Go, Ivan. You can do it.